Bait casting reels sit at the heart of many freshwater and light saltwater setups, offering precise casting control, strong drags, and compact profiles that empower anglers to cast accurately with heavier lures. The category spans budget-friendly models to performance-focused reels, and selection often hinges on balance between weight.
List number 1. Baitcaster reels. This generic branded bait casting reel emphasizes a lightweight carbon fiber drag system, a 7.2-to-1 gear ratio, and a magnetic braking setup rated for up to 17.6 pounds of braking force with a 22-pound maximum drag. It uses a 10+1 bearing configuration and a 37mm deep aluminum line cup paired with an EVA handle for grip. The construction pairs a carbon fiber drag with a robust metal line cup and an extended arm, aiming to deliver saltwater versatility on a budget. At just 9.6 ounces, it's among the lighter options in this group, which benefits prolonged casting sessions. Performance-wise, the reel's magnetic brake system is designed to minimize backlashes in moderate wind and with mid-weight lures, making it a sensible entry for saltwater and surf fishing beginners who need forgiving casting. The 37mm line cup and aluminum frame deliver adequate durability for general coastal use, though the low price suggests compromises in long-term corrosion resistance and component tolerances compared to higher-end reels. With 10+1 bearings, it should glide smoothly, but the overall feel may be less refined than higher-priced counterparts, particularly under heavy loads or aggressive retrieves.
List number 2. KastKing Royal Legend 2 Bait Casting Reels. The Royal Legend 2 represents KastKing's modernized, compact, high-value option with the choice of 5.4-to-1 or 7.2-to-1 gear ratios. Weighing just 7.2 ounces, the reel uses an extra-hard stainless steel main shaft, Hamai precision brass gears, and a 17.6-pound carbon fiber drag. The Crossfire 8-magnet braking system provides 10 levels of adjustment, aiming to suppress overruns and maximize casting distance in challenging conditions. The design emphasizes a low-profile, comfortable grip with a concealed side cover release for extended casting sessions. Performance-wise, the Legend 2's lightweight and durable internals translate to strong performance for crankbaits and fast retrieves with the 7.2-to-1 model, while the 5.4-to-1 variant excels at slow presentations. The high-precision gears and robust drag system push this reel into a sweet spot for anglers who want a compact, reliable workhorse for both freshwater and light saltwater use. The 29.8 inches per turn retrieve is competitive for its class, and the 8-button braking system reduces the learning curve for precise casting in wind.
List number 3. Piscifun Aliexpress 400 Baitcaster Fishing Reel. The Aliexpress 400 is built for big fish handling with a 38-pound max drag, an aluminum alloy frame, and a choice of 6.6-to-1 or 8.1-to-1 gear ratios. It uses 9 stainless steel bearings plus 1 additional bearing, a long 120mm extended counterbalance handle, and a Hercules drag system, HDS, designed to increase brake pad contact for more friction under load. It also features a line cast alarm and an extended handle for leverage when battling large fish, making it a strong option for muskie and other large freshwater species, as well as saltwater applications. In practice, the Aliexpress 400 delivers solid raw power thanks to its brass gears and aluminum frame, with the 8.1-to-1 ratio offering faster line retrieval when needed. The corrosion-resistant construction helps in mixed water environments, and the rotor feet design promotes stability during heavy lures. The line capacity ranges suggest versatility with both braided and fluorocarbon lines, though some users might prefer lighter reels for finesse techniques. The audible line alarm is a unique UX feature, but may be more.
List number 4. KastKing Centron Light Bait Casting Fishing Reel. Lightweight. The Centron Light emphasizes ultra-light construction with a glass fiber-infused nylon frame and a very low weight of 18 grams, about 0.63 ounces. It carries a 7.1-to-1 gear ratio, 5+1 ball bearings, and a 10-magnet braking system. This model is designed for distance and control in a compact form factor, suitable for ultralight tactics, finesse presentations, or youth or entry-level setups seeking a minimal weight advantage. Performance-wise, despite the minimal weight, the Centron Lite offers a respectable 6.99 kilograms, approximately 15.4 pounds drag rating, and a CNC aluminum spool with braided and monofilament capacity guidance. The reel's 5+1 bearings provide adequate smoothness for casual fishing, though it sits on the lighter end of durability and may be less forgiving under heavy saltwater use. The compact frame and external magnetic braking allow easy dial-in in calm to moderate conditions, particularly for lighter lures and longer casts.
List number 5. KastKing Brutus Baitcasting Fishing Reel. Brutus offers a graphite one-piece frame, CNC aluminum U-shaped spool, and 7.2:1 gear ratio. It ships with 5 shielded stainless steel bearings, plus an instant anti-reverse bearing, and a 10-button magnetic braking system. A 17.6-pound carbon fiber drag delivers stopping power, while the construction emphasizes value-oriented durability at a competitive price. In practice, Brutus balances affordability with solid internals, like a stainless main shaft and brass gears, making it a trustworthy option for entry to mid-level anglers. The 10-button braking system provides granular control across a range of wind and lure weights, which helps minimize backlashes when distance casting. The graphite frame, while lighter, may not be as rigid as aluminum counterparts under heavy drag, but it remains a good value proposition for casual freshwater use and occasional light saltwater sessions.